If you've ever browsed eBay and wondered how to quickly add items to your cart without any confusion, this guide will make it incredibly simple. Whether you shop online all the time or you're just getting started, you'll know exactly what to do by the end of this video. To begin, log into your eBay account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. It only takes a moment and it lets you track orders, message sellers, and keep everything organized. Once you're logged in, head up to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in whatever you're looking for, maybe an iPhone 13 case, a PS4 controller, or anything else you want to buy. Hit enter and eBay will load tons of options from sellers around the world. Browse through the results and click on the item that stands out to you. This takes you to the product's listing page, which is where the important details are. Check the price to make sure it fits your budget. Look at the item's condition, new or used, and always take a moment to review the seller's rating. Shipping details are also key, so you know how long delivery will take and whether there are extra costs. If everything looks good and you want to move forward, look for the blue Add to Cart button. Not every seller allows cart purchases, so if you see that button, go ahead and click it. eBay will show a small confirmation pop-up letting you know the item has been added. From here, you can either click Go to Cart to review what you've added so far, or keep browsing and add more items. And remember, you can access your cart anytime by clicking the cart icon in the top right corner of any page. It's your personal shopping basket, ready whenever you're ready to check out. And that's it. Adding items to your eBay cart is quick, smooth, and straightforward. Now you're all set to shop with confidence. Happy shopping.